Hey, what's up? Here's the 1, 2, 3 method for cashing out on eBay. First, you're going to scroll over to the upper right hand corner and click on Sell. This will open up to your Seller Hub, and it's very important to remember that you must be on this page. Just under Seller Hub in your upper left hand corner, you're going to see some options and you're going to scroll over to Payments. This will open up to your financial summary page where you'll see the total amount of funds you have available. You're going to click on the little white arrow next to the amount of funds. Now your page will look different than mine if you have enough funds to withdraw. You will see an option to select the amount you want to withdraw and to which account you want those funds to be transferred to. It's that simple. 1, 2, 3, and you're done. Good luck, everybody. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates and more. Thanks.